Welcome to Graceland Tech channel. Kindly subscribe to show your support.
Hi! Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles.
First, just go to your AI tool, either ChatGPT or Grok, and type in this prompt you are seeing on the screen. When you're done typing in the prompt, it will generate the image for you. So this is the image it generated for me, and if you're not comfortable with the image, you have the chance of reprompting it. You can change it to the exact image you want it to create for you. So it can be 3D character or pixel or Disney inspired, whatever your preference is. Just type it in either ChatGPT or Grok. For me, I use Grok. I prefer or I like the way they generate images for me. You can as well use Gemini. It's another great AI tool for generating images. So when you're done, just click on that, enter or send. Now it's generating the image. You can see the 3 dotted lines that shows that the image is being generated. One thing about Grok will generate two for you and allow you to make your preference. So it gives you 2 options. The other AI tools like Gemini will just generate one for you. But you see Grok will give you 2. So just choose the one you want from the 2 to generate for you. But they're all great AI tools. Some also use Whisk. So you have different options to choose from: Grok, Gemini, ChatGPT, Whisk, and lots of others I'm sure that are out there. So just give it the prompt you want and wait for it to generate the image for you. So you can see it's solid, bright, red background, everything I wanted to have. So it's almost done here. These are the images it generated. So I chose one. I'll click on the download. You're seeing the download button. You can as well choose to download the 2 images it's generated for you. But for me, I chose the 2, but I'm going to use this particular one. Then, next thing you're going to do is once you've clicked on that imagine site, just go to your folder and select the image. When you're done, click done. Then you type in the prompt you want the image to have in the video. So we're now creating video. We're done with the image. When you're done with the image, you go to the imagine site. So when you're done prompting the image or generating the image, you have to give it another prompt for it to turn the image into a video. Now remember, Grok does 6-second video. I think it has gotten to 8 seconds, but for now, when I made this video, it was 6 seconds. So this is what I asked it to do for me, that it should not change my image for whatever reason, because Grok can be funny. You can give it image and it will twerk it for you in the video generation, and you have one other image like that. But then you have to give it that prompt because it's AI. Hello, AI follows prompts as much as possible. So I asked it not to change the image, the character, and that the background should also not be changed. I asked it that the character should speak like normal human being. Do you get? Now, after that, I had to now give it the script I want the image to have. So you have to type the direction of what you want. Do you want the image to be changed or not? Then you give it the prompt you want the image to speak. You get? It's as simple as that. So now I've given it what I want the image to say or the character to say. The video I'm generating, you see that arrow? Make sure that place is highlighted. That's for video. The one beside it is for image creation. So when you're prompting, make sure that part is highlighted for video, but if it's for image, make sure that one is highlighted. All right, so this is the script. You can see it. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handle. All right, so this is a script. It's a very, very simple script because, like I said, Grok does 6 to 8 seconds video. So, hello, it needs to be very, very brief. So, as you can see, I knew it was not going to generate everything clearly, so I had to just cut some parts. When you're done, just click on that part you're seeing. That's enter or send. As you can see, it's generating the video. To take a while, doesn't even take a while. It's very, very fast, depending on your network provider. Let's be honest. All right, so it doesn't take much time. It's very fast.
Hi, Klein. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Hi, Klein. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Hi.
So that is the first part of the video generation. You can see it just gave us the script. Remember, I had to cut part of the script because it's 6 seconds. So it gave me that part. I've asked it to do for me or to generate for me. So when I'm done with that one, I'll paste the second part of the prompt. As you can see, it doesn't take much time. It's very, very fast.
Hi. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Hi. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this?
Now I'm comfortable. I'm okay with the first part of the image. I have to paste the second part since I'm okay with the first part and how it worked. Remember, this is AI. If you're not comfortable with what it has given you after your prompting, just reprompt it. So I'm asking it to remember that this is a continuation. When you're done, just click on that send and then it will start generating the parts that you want it to generate for you. You can see it's very, very fast, right? For a free app, Grok is amazing. Like, it's free and then it gives you your videos the way you want it to be and gives you the option to change it as much as possible. So it's amazing actually.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles. Hi. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles.
So that's it. That's it, guys. When you're done, just go to the video editing software or app you use. For me, it's InShot. So just click on the videos, on those videos you want to merge, you want to edit them so it will be in sync. So just click on them. They will be brought to your InShot.
Hi. Do you wish to generate AI images or videos like this? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles.
Just edit to your satisfaction, then you export.
Thank you.